In this video, I will show you how to fix the EA servers are unavailable right now. Please try again later error in EA Sports FC25. The most common reason for this error is that EA's server are temporarily down or undergoing maintenance. First, check the official EA server status page to see if there is any ongoing server issues affecting FC26. You can also check EA help on X for real-time updates. If the server are down, you'll need to wait until EA restores the server. If the server are online, the next step is to restart your device and router. Turn off your router, unplug it for about 1 minute, then plug it back in, and wait for your internet connection to return before launching the game again. Next, close any unnecessary background applications before starting FC25. If you're playing on Windows PC, you can also try changing your DNS settings. Open Settings, then go to Network and Internet, followed by Advanced Network Settings. Select Change Adapter Options, right-click your active network connection, then choose Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4, then select Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server to 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the changes, then restart your PC and launch the game again. These public Google DNS servers are fast, reliable, and may help resolve the connection issues. So for this video, if you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.